Hello everyone, this is a short video explaining reverse scored items. Here we have a popular psychological scale called the Penn State Worry Questionnaire. Now, scoring high overall on this scale means you worry a lot. And scoring low on this overall scale means you don't worry a lot. Now let's have a look at some of the items first. Item 2 is a positively worded item. My worries overwhelm me. And we can tell it is a positively worded item because if we score high on this scale, on this item, it means we worry a lot. And if we score low on this item, it means we don't worry a lot. So the scoring system on this item reflects the same meaning for the overall scale score. We also have some reverse scored items, also called negatively worded items, and they are denoted by an asterisk next to them. The reason why we have reverse scored items is because it prevents inattentive responding and response bias. Let's look at the wording of this reverse scored item, and we should notice that the wording of this reverse scored item has the opposite meaning of the positively worded items. If I don't have enough time to do everything, I don't worry about it. So if we score high on this item, it would indicate we don't worry a lot. And if we score low on this item, it would indicate we have high worry. So it has the reverse meaning and the opposite scoring system. We will scroll down to have a look at the scoring instructions now. And it says here, add all scores together after reversing the reversed items. So let's follow that procedure. I'm going to fill in the questionnaire and I'm going to create some response bias with inattentive responding and choose all the first column. So let's do that. Just change that color for a minute. So I'm selecting all the first column, not reading the items, inattentively responding to the questionnaire, which is creating response bias. Okay, so if we added up the scores now from item 1 to item 16, we get 16, and this would be an incorrect overall score because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reverse scored items. So now we need to reverse the scoring system before we add them up. Just change this color. To do this, what we do is we change the 1 to a 5. The 2 becomes a 4. The 3 is in the middle, so the 3 stays the same. The 4 becomes a 2. And the 5 becomes a 1. So the reverse scored items need to be scored with the green numbers, and the positively worded items need to be scored with the black numbers. Because I have chosen all responses in the first column, all the reverse scored items need to be a 5. So let's do that. Okay, so I have 5 reverse scored items. So 5 times 5 equals 25. And I have 11 positively worded items, and they are scored as a 1. So 1 times 11 equals 11. We add 25 to 11, and that gives us 36. So my overall score is 36. And that's how reverse scored items work. If you have any questions, please ask.